What's up, guys? This is going to be a quick tutorial of my KTmoto headlights that I have installed on my 07 Honda CBR 600RR. Here we go. So first and foremost, my bike is on a stand, a rear stand, so always be safe. I have my controls installed right there. Little flip switch. And I highly recommend, if you're going to play with these lights, you do so with the motorcycle on, because after about 5 minutes of playing with them without the bike started, it died. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. Right now, so maybe I won't fire it up. So right now it is, the circle indicates that the demon eyes are on. Switching it to straight headlights. And then you just operate the brights like normal. Blinkers. Totally operate like normal. The one thing I'll say is, with the demon eyes on, the blinkers don't work. They just illuminate solid orange. And I haven't heard back if that's normal or not. Still waiting to figure that out. So again, if you're going to play with the headlights, make sure you leave the bike on. Otherwise, it will die very quickly. And that's it. So that's the quick walkthrough. I have an installation video, entire process, even wiring up the blinkers, which was kind of a pain. So look out for that. Should be coming soon. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.